Hey guys, welcome back to Lavendaire. So my apartment is almost fully decorated and done, so I'm super excited to start to show you guys. Today I want to just show you my vanity slash makeup area, just because it's like my little nook that makes me happy. This is where I sit down and get ready for videos. Disclaimer, a perk of my job is I get sent a lot of makeup from a lot of brands, and it's quite overwhelming sometimes. It's just a lot of stuff, and each time I do try to declutter what I want to keep, what I want to try versus what I don't want. So this is after decluttering, and yeah, I know it's still a lot of stuff. Just saying, I know this is a lot of makeup, but you won't believe like how much I've decluttered and donated away, gave to friends and everything else. Also, if you're interested, I'll have links down below for where I bought some of these items for my vanity area. Alright, so welcome to my vanity. On the left, I have a mirror that I got from IKEA. I love sitting up and close to the mirror so I can see all the details. And this is an artwork I got from Society 6. The frame is from Target. I love that it's so feminine and minimal. It really fits the aesthetic here. And the organizer is from Amazon. It just holds my brushes, some primers, a foundation. Lately, I've been enjoying using this brand Vapor. They're an organic, all-natural beauty brand, so really love their stuff in general. On the right, I have this Lancome macaroon blush set. It's super aesthetic, looks like a little box of macaroons, and I put it there because it just reminds me of spring, but the blushes are really soft, velvety, and so cute. So in the first drawer are my eye products, but in the corner I keep my daily makeup pouch. So in this pouch are just the daily essential makeup that I will use every day. So the simple stuff like my favorite bronzer, blush, eyelash curler, eyeliners, mascara, concealer. This is just everything that I need to create my basic makeup look, and usually I'll take this pouch with me when I go on short trips. At the bottom, I also have some like emergency bobby pins and hair ties. So this is kind of just everything that I basically need. Then I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes to play with. Here are two of the palettes that I used for today's look, and later I think I'll share some of my favorite current makeup products, so stay tuned for that. And here I have more eyeshadow palettes, eyeliners, some of which are brand new and I haven't opened or tried just yet. In the second drawer, I have lip products and highlighters. So I have a ton of lipsticks. A lot of them are from the brand Flower because they sent me like every single color and I quite like their formula. I have some lip glosses, liquid lipsticks, and on the right are a box of highlighters and various sparkly things. Under the nightstand, I just put the bottom part of the acrylic organizer because I felt it looked a little too bulky on top. So here I just have some assorted beauty and hair products. And in the second drawer, I have all my concealers and a foundation. And on the bottom, I have my stick blushes and just nail products. Alright, so now I want to share some of my favorite current makeup products at the moment. The first one is this Pixie and Whaley eyeshadow palette. I've talked about this before, but it's just so neutral and versatile. I'm really leaning towards the reddish tones at the moment. Also really loving the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced. Again, loving the peachy warm tones for spring. I feel like it really matches my skin tone. This one's a super cute one by Lancome. It's called the Eye Sugar palette, and the colors are so springtime vibes, right? I use this a lot for Coachella, and another one that I used for Coachella was this Too Faced Life's a Festival palette. This one is perfect for festivals, obviously. It's so pretty, the colors are really ethereal, and it's just so fun to play with. My favorite liquid lipstick is this one by Flower in the color Scarlet Letter. It's like the perfect bold red. It's like super bold. I feel so powerful and chic when I'm wearing this color, and I've worn it in like a video before and I got tons of compliments on it. So yeah, everyone needs a good red. This one's also another favorite. I wear this almost every day because it looks so natural and it goes on really sheer, so it's really easy to wear with everything. Like I mentioned earlier, I really love the formula of Flower lipsticks. So this one is in the color Coral Crush, and it's just a perfect pop of like orangey coral on your lips. Lastly, my favorite highlighter at the moment is this one by ColourPop in the color Strobe Globe. It's just like a bright goldish sheen that's really pretty. Alright, I hope you like this tour of my vanity area. It's my little happy place. So now I want to do a surprise giveaway. So if you've watched to this point, then congratulations. Then you know about the surprise giveaway. You're gonna win just assorted makeup that I've handpicked for you. There's a huge neutral eyeshadow palette. There's some highlighters and some lip products. It really is something that anyone could use. I just picked stuff that was very versatile. So to enter the giveaway, you have to just be subscribed to my channel, click the bell on the subscription on YouTube, follow my Instagram, and lastly, leave a comment with your favorite quote. And then I will know if you have like a quotation marks, and I count that as like an entry, and then I will reply to the winner in about a week. Just watch out for your replies, and after I've replied, I will like pin that comment so you guys will see who's the winner, so you'll know that the giveaway has ended. I believe that's it for today. Stay tuned because I'm gonna be coming out with some more like apartment tour style videos now that I have everything in its place, or almost in its place, so I'm really excited to show you guys. All right, have a beautiful day. Love you all. Bye.